In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to N8n. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your N8n dashboard. This is the starting point where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your account, which should bring you right to the main screen. This dashboard is where you can manage your workflows, so it'll be your central hub moving forward. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to select workflow. Clicking on this will essentially set the stage for the integration that we're about to create. Selecting a workflow is crucial because it determines where you want your Airtable data to be integrated within the N8n environment. Next, look around for the plus button. This is the button you'll use to add a node to your workflow. Nodes are the building blocks of workflows in N8n, and adding them is how you define the actions you want to take or the processes you need to run. Now, it's time to hone in on Airtable. In the list of nodes that appears, use the search bar to type in Airtable. You should see it appear in the list. Go ahead and click on it. This action will essentially integrate the Airtable API capabilities into your workflow, allowing N8n to interact directly with your Airtable data. Once you've added the Airtable node, you'll need to decide on the operation you'd like to perform. This could range from creating records, updating existing ones, or even deleting them depending on your specific needs. So take a moment to think about what you want to achieve and make your selection wisely. You'll now come across an option to create new credential. Clicking this is necessary for N8n to securely access your Airtable account. Don't worry, creating a credential is straightforward, and we're here to guide you. For the next step, you should connect using your Airtable access token. This step ensures that N8n has the appropriate permissions to access your data without any issues. It's very similar to granting access to an app using your email or social media accounts. Once you've got your access token, paste it into the provided field. This is an important step because it authenticates the connection between Airtable and N8n, confirming that you're authorized to access the data you're about to work with. After you've pasted the token, hit the Save button. This will store your credentials securely and establish the connection. It's a quick step, but crucial for retaining the information for future use. Now let's move on to configuring the Airtable node operation. Take some time to specify the details of what you want to do with your Airtable data. This could involve specifying tables, fields, or even filters. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, click the Execute Node button. This final step will run the workflow, bringing all your configuration work to life. Watch as your Airtable data flows through N8n, automating those tasks seamlessly. And there you have it, a connected Airtable to N8n integration. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit any steps if needed. Happy automating!